Satha YouTuber sokuxolisa uWiseman ukudicilela isithunzi sakhe phansi. Kahle kahle thina ngokwenza lezi zinto lezi bowukhona esikhokhele ingakho sitho sisenza lezi zinto. Manje sesiyabona nanokuthi ukhonayo le ndaba izofana namaphoyisa sesiyabona ukuthi ngane kuzokuxela. Kodwa ukwenza kwethu lokho-ke sesingathanda ukuthi sixolise umuntu ongathanda ukuthi ejezise mhlampe ngesibophise ngosanjani. Mina manje asinankinga sizozamukela zonke ijeziso ngoba siyabona ukuthi kahle kahle la sewuzonikela nabantu bengamele ukuthi bengene. So sewuthi nje bakubhekana nabantu bengekho kulesi simo lesi kahle kahle thina besiphosta hlahle ibhebhekayo ezofeki kodwa ngokuhamba isikhathi siyabona ukuthi ayikho la isibhekana.
Futhi abantu abaningi, you know what I mean? So nje ngayizolo mangejimini ngihlangana namajita mengijima nawe uyabona ukuthi affected ngalento yabo and until oyedwa ibreak wathi hayi futhi uyatrenda because ubonile ukuthi ngiyithulele nje ngathi ngiyazi ngiyatrenda ngathi hayi usishop futhi ngifuna ukusho igama lakho banamazi ngamchazela babona labo thambethu yabo so but ngawabona ngendlela abakhathazeka lento ayiaffect wona phela affect abantu abaningi but if sokwazi usibambisane and fight this agcineni sizokwazi ukuthi siphumelele kuyo yonke lento le and nezingane sikhulisile nathi sizingane so yeah ungakusho nje bengifuna ukusho kahle kahle lokho bengazelanga la ukuzobhesha ngiyazi bafethu ukuthi benilindele indaba ukuthi ngizothi hey usibani bani yabo la ngiyamjwayela lana fanele ngimfaki yabo awuka hayi no asiyenzi lonto leyasikhulisanga kanjalo and fanele noma thiwa mhlawumbe umuntu ukhuliswe kanjalo uyashintsha phela bongumuntu osiboniso somdala unekusasa ekhona une-career ekhona I'm very ngumuntu ngifundele lento safundiswa it will be very dumb.
Everyone, I would like to state ukuthi lama screenshots agcwele ku social media ukuthi mina Aliyah Fuze ngakhuluma no Mogel Slay engibuza ama location abantu angiwazi angikaze ngasendelwa uMogel Slay mina imessage ngisho ngathiwa wayengisendela futhi ngangeke ngiyiphendula I don't even answer ama DMs ama Instagram so angimazi angazi nanokuthi ama conversation awakukhona angimazi nanokuthi wathathephi but I would like to state ukuthi ithathu yami is purely because I'm just a fan of uWiseman Mncube nami and I'm no one's side chick. Back to Mogel Slay lokho engidumisa nani sisi mina ngahlula uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi yezwa engidumisa ngingafuni ngikwenze ngikutshengisa ukuthi yini yaze yenza uNhlanhla Mkhwanazwana kamina ungangijwayeli kamina and yabo le moment for change lokho itag ungangijwayeli kamina izofuna ijustice for wena soon mina mangikufind because I will find you and I can guarantee you 100% kuzobe khulunywa nge-death anniversary yakho next year mangijwayeli.
Yo guys, molweni namkelekele nonke kweziChisabe Entertainment uWiseman kodwa ke trender for the whole of last week ke guys after ke kwakhona i-account that sent leaked messages to bloggers so that again obviously bezosasaza those leaked messages okay because messages ke of course usisi ebechaza into ba hey ndikhulelwe and umntana ngowakho then ke uWiseman was like sisi wabantu ungangiqali nginomfazi mina you know and usisi kept on saying listen if awufuna ukwenza i-DNA test for lo mntwana lona guess what ndizohamba ndiye emaphephandabeni I will do whatever it takes basically to ensure into ba wena lo mntana endimkhulelweyo njengangoku uzomondla 1.1 phinde ke uwife wakhe this leaked account yasibonisa ke apho uwife kaWiseman wayithetha ngento yobana stay away from my husband lento oyithetha ngehusband yam ayikho sekutsho ke ngoku uwife then usisi wathi ba lento lena ayidibananga nawe sisi ndifuna nje umyeni wakho andondlele umntwana so back to the very first few videos ke endinifakele zona ke ngusisi lona number 1 the first clip endinifakele yona ngusisi nobhuti who are allegedly abantu that were behind ezia accounts ezisende the leaked messages now that have gone viral you understand so baya apologize into ba they created everything. Guys, imagine zonke messages were created through AI. Akho Wiseman, okay, according to Usisi and Wiseman himself, akukho Wiseman owake wachetha naye Usisi, you understand, they have never spoke before, nje uyifan nje, just nje uyifan, you understand. So uyachaza ke Usisi into ba no, ndiyaxolisa, I didn't think it would go this far, yara naye ke ndafaka no Wiseman ke apho naye achazayo into ba ebengafuni yena into ba all of this ide inikwe attention engaka, because we understand bakhona abantu i-obsession yabo is just above and beyond. I understand they are too obsessed ngomuntu to such an extent that in order ukufumana i-attention yabo they would do whatever it takes, njengoba ke Usisi enze ntoni, enze whatever it takes in order to catch ke Wiseman's attention. So obviously guys, ngizonifakela some of the messages ezichazayo into ba for really lo sisi lona ungumuntu obsessed. Now ndiyabona ku social media guys, obviously Wiseman uze necala lakhe nalo sisi. Number 1.1, Usisi at the beginning of the video does not seem to be genuine about the apology yakhe, which then leads to people believing into ba lo sisi lona uthengiwe. 1.1, okay, people are believing into ba uthengiwe lo sisi. They believe that in actual fact manyani ukhona side chick ka Wiseman that fell pregnant, and she fell pregnant before Wiseman nonkosikazi wakhe bachade. Okay, and furthermore kukhona ke iline ke ayichileyo Wiseman, the alleged Wiseman, the AI Wiseman into ba sisi, if uyahamba uhambisa as leaked messages to amaphephandaba, bazokholelwa bani between mna nawe and nobody? When you are a nobody, kumbula mna, I am someone who is well known. So okay, this is what people are saying, that listen, Tina asiyithembi yonke lento, this is all part of the act. Wiseman is an actor, trained actor. You know, by yonke lento, you know, it's all planned out. Khona ke umntu oyi-1 othi, this is exactly what Wiseman meant when he said, who will they believe, me or a nobody? Omnye ke athi, I will never look at Wiseman the same again. I really had respect for him. Then ke khona ke othi, you know what, I believe her, this AI person, not him. Ushilo wathi sizokholwa yena uyasitake. Okay, bese ithuka ke angazi why bethuka. Then ke abanye they have come forward to say akondle ingane ayeke ukusibangela isicefe. So bancane kakhulu abantu abakholelwa uWiseman on TikTok, but on Facebook, because ke uWiseman wayenza i-live ku Facebook guys, i-fans zakhe, most of his fans are saying yo siyaxolisa mfethu that you had to experience into ebuhlungu kangaka wena nonkosikazi wakho. Really lo muntu lona une obsession ne bipolar, and manyani uyalidinga ke uncedo. So yeah guys, your thoughts must engage, and zonibona shortly. Bye guys.